Hi, let's discuss about insert beginning in a doubly linked list using C++. The input for this operation will be a list and the data that has to be inserted. First, we will consider a case where there exists some list like this and how we can insert. So we have to create a new node using the create node function, put the data in the data part, and it will also initialize the previous and the next part to be null. We have to attach this node to the existing list and make it as the first node. So what we have to do is, let us call this as new node. So the next part of the new node should be pointing to head, right, the current first node, and previous part of the head should be pointing to the new node, and you have to move the head to the new node. So this will make insert beginning, and the only exception condition that we may have to deal is when the list is empty. If the list is empty and when we are trying to do insert beginning, we have to initialize both head and tail to new node. We have to make this head and tail, both the pointers, to point to the new node, because that is the only node in the list. That will be the first node and that will be the last node as well. So that alone we have to do. So the steps involved, we can formally write input for this operation is the list and the data, and in the first step you have to call the create node function and get the address of the newly created node, and we have to check whether the create node function has successfully done the thing. Otherwise we have to return false, and if the list is empty then we have to make both head and tail to point to the new node, and otherwise we have to make the next part of new node to store head, make previous part of head to point to new node, and one more thing, we have to move the head of the current list to the new node, and then we have to return true, indicating success to the callee function. Now let's implement this. In the header file, we are going to do object oriented programming, so the list will come as an implicit object. So we are just declaring the insert beginning function with the data, that is the integer data, and we have to implement here in the .cpp file. Let us implement it. So first let us take the algorithm. So I have made the copy of the algorithm here. Let's declare the pointer for storing the address of the newly created node, and we have to call the create node function with the data alone, and then if the value returned, that is if the address returned is null, this will happen only when there is no memory. Basically there is no memory in the system, or if the memory given for heap for this particular program is exceeded. There are few conditions when this will happen. So in that case we have to return not null, we have to return false, indicating that we couldn't do the insertion operation successfully. Otherwise we have to consider the exception case, that is when the list is empty. So let's call isEmpty function with the implicit object. So if the list is empty, then we have to make both head and tail, right, head equal to tail equal to new node. Can do this, and we have to return true, okay, and otherwise we are going to make the next part of the head, right, so head next part of new node, next part of new node next should be equal to head, and previous part of head, right, previous part of head previous is equal to new node, okay, and we have to make head to point to the new node, because this is insert beginning, we have to change the head. So we will tell head equal to new node, right, and then we have to return true, and the basic operation required to check each and every operation is print list function. So just let's discuss how we can print a doubly linked list. Though we have got two pointers, head and tail, we are going to move from the beginning of the list. So let's check the condition. if the list is empty, we will merely return. Otherwise, we will have a temporary pointer, make it to point to head, and we will be moving. Actually, head will be here, right? Head will be here, and we have to, sorry, temp will be here, and we have to move temp till the last value is printed, right? So we have to execute the body of the loop when the temp is in the last node also, and we will stop printing only when temp moves outside the list. So when we can understand that temp has moved outside the list is when it becomes null, right? So we have to check the condition. While temp is not null, we have to repeat step 4 and 5 where we print the data and we move to the next node, right? So the algorithm is here. Let's implement. We have to have a temporary pointer. Let me tell node store temp, and if list is empty, we have to just return. If is empty, then we will return. Otherwise, already we have made the declaration. Now we have to tell temp equal to head, right? And while temp is not null, so we can simply tell while temp as pointers. Okay, for pointers, null is false and other than null all are true. So while temp, we have to print the data part of the node pointed by temp, right? Temp data, and we have to move to the next line and move temp to the next node. Okay, and finish the loop. Yes, done. Hopefully let us compile the code and check it. So when we compile, we get an error, create node data is not there. We have given here as D, so we have to pass it as D. Yes, no compilation error. Before executing, let us see what is in the application file. I have just inserted 1 2 3 using insert beginning and then printing the list. So we expect the code to print 3 to 1. Let's see whether that's happening. Yes. Okay. So the code will be shared in the GitHub. You can refer and try it by yourself. Thank you.